Hey, welcome back. We are on problem 4 of section 1-3, and in this one we're going to compare some real numbers. And it says, read this with me, it says, what is an inequality that compares the numbers square root of 129 and 11.52? Okay, so there's a lot of things going on in this question. First thing that you need to know is what an inequality is. Now, an inequality is those equations or expressions that have these symbols. Let's see if you remember what these symbols are. See, this first one here, this means less than. Remember that? This one means greater than. This one means less than or equal. And this one here means greater than or equal. Okay, so we're going to use one of these four inequality symbols, these are inequality symbols, to compare these two numbers here. So the problem with square root 129 is that we initially don't know what that looks like, but let's figure it out. So we got square root of 129. Let me write that over here. Okay, so let's estimate what the square root of 129 is. We know that it's going to be greater than 10 squared because 10 times 10 is 100. So let's do 11 squared. So 11 squared is, let's go back to our table. So 11 squared was 121, and 12 squared was 144. So 11 squared is 121, 12 squared is 144. So we know that square root of 129 is in between these two numbers. Now it's a lot closer to 11 than to 12. So it's probably around 11.2. Okay, does that make sense? So we took the square root of 129, we found two perfect squares that are sandwich it in between, and then we see which one is closer to it so that we can estimate the answer close to that. So I'm estimating square root of 129 is close to 11.2. Now you need to ask yourself, is 11.2 greater than or less than 11.52? It's less than it, so we would put this sign. So 11.2 is less than 11.52, or in other words, you could say 129 is less than 11.52. Okay, so I hope you learned something today and got a little bit smarter. Let's go on to example 5 now.